Hi guys, Merry Christmas. And I got this toy from Christmas. It's called a Lumatech Flight. Yeah, Lumatech Flight. And this is really cool. It might just look like a paper airplane to you when you look at it. Oh, it's like plastic. Oh, but look at this thing. This is one of my funnest toys ever. Okay. Sometimes it goes much higher if it's charged. It probably goes much higher if it's charged. But right now it's very good flight.
Try it again. Let's see if you can make another path.
Never turn now. Never turn now.
No, wait. Let's see if we get caught in the roof one day. Go, go! Oh, that was so close for a crash landing. Ah! Whoa! I bet. Wait, I wonder if Mom is up there and she sees. Bad landing, bad takeoff, bad takeoff. Go with the go forward. Yeah, right there. Turn on.
It's out of battery, guys.
Okay, guys, I might include this in another video because right now it's on very low battery. I'll probably go like all the way up there, but like, thank you guys. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Like and subscribe. Bye bye.